Can odd laws impose non-physical legal sanctions? Imagine a law that makes you pay a fine for something so bizarre it makes you wonder if it's serious. Well, many strange laws across America do exactly that. They don't always lead to jail time or physical punishment. Instead, they relying on symbolic or monetary penalties to enforce rules that seem more about social order than crime. Legal sanctions are the consequences people face when they break a law. These can be physical, like going to jail, or non-physical, like paying fines or losing certain privileges. Odd laws often use non-physical sanctions because the offenses are usually minor or humorous. For example, in Alabama, it's illegal to wear a fake mustache in church if it causes laughter and disrupts the service. The punishment isn't jail but a fine or a misdemeanor charge. This shows how the law aims to keep decorum through symbolic penalties. Another example is Alabama's law against impersonating clergy members. If caught, you might face fines or short jail time, but most enforcement involves warnings or fines rather than physical punishment. Local ordinances also ban spraying silly string in public spaces, with violations resulting in fines. These laws are meant to maintain social norms and prevent nuisances without resorting to physical penalties. In Kansas, hitting a vending machine is illegal and can lead to misdemeanor charges. The punishment might include fines or jail time, but the focus is on monetary or legal consequences. These laws often serve symbolic purposes, like protecting community standards or religious norms. They reinforce social expectations without harsh physical punishments. Many of these laws are designed to send a message rather than punish severely. They use fines, warnings, or community service as their main tools. This approach makes sense because the behaviors they target are often trivial or humorous. The penalties act as reminders that certain actions are socially unacceptable, even if they don't threaten public safety. So, in many cases, odd laws do impose non-physical legal sanctions. They relying on fines, community service, or symbolic penalties to enforce rules. These sanctions reflected the quirky and sometimes humorous intent behind the laws. They keep order and social norms in check without needing physical punishment.